50 years ago, we imagined a world fueled by technology and powered by innovation. It all started with an idea back in 1970. What started as a chemical supplying company advanced into an internationally acclaimed organization manufacturing specialty chemicals. Over the years, we have evolved. The name Chemtex depicts our core mission, chemical technology experts. Under the chairmanship of Mr. Ram Gopal Karnani, Chemtex remains a closely held public limited company. This year 2020, we don't just celebrate 50 years of Chemtex, but we celebrate 50 years of trust, innovation and excellence. We look forward to continuing our journey in our endeavor to excellence and committed value to every customer.